Miho, baka may gusto ka rin sabihin kay Tommy matapos mong marinig ang kanyang magandang awitin sa kanyang mga nararamdaman para sa iyo. Pero dapat, Miho, English mo sasabihin yan, ha?
Chong, alam mo na.
English, ha?
Oh my God.
I will teach you how to doggy.
Hindi sayaw.
Are you? What's your message?
Hi, Tommy. Hello.
Hey, Miho.
I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Talk to me.
Sorry, I can't translate that.
I appreciate talk to you. Talk to me in summer.
Talk to you. Cute mo, Miho.
Miho! Miho!
And thank you and ever, forever, thank you.
Miho, do you like
I miss
Tommy's
you.
voice?
Ano daw?
Do you like his voice, his singing voice?
Yes, I like him.
Teka, Miho, like him? Para ano, mas klaro,
Hindi lang
yung
voice.
sinabi mo, pwede mo bang Tagalogin, tapos ita-translate na lang ni Jong
Mas
para kay
klaro,
Tommy. Tignan natin kung kakayanin ni Jong. Ayun, kung ano yung sinabi mo, in Tagalog naman, Miho. Para sincere.
Sobrang na-appreciate ko naman yung ginawa niya sa akin pagkanta.
Wait.
Nakaka-
Stop. She appreciated
Isa-isa.
what you did. Huh?
Last summer.
Masaya ako na kinentahan niya ako kahit andun siya. Kasi hindi siya nagbabago mula nung dito kami sa loob ng bahay. Kinakanta niya pa rin kasi ako.
Ang dami!
Hindi siya nagbabago.
Yeah, she said you're so handsome.
Hindi na sinabi yun. Ang haba na sinabi. Sino translation mo?
Mahaba eh. Hey, Tommy.
Yes po.
I have a question for you.
Yes po.
Are you jealous that I'm inside the house?
Konti po.
Don't worry, I'm jealous also because you're so handsome. Me, I'm not. You wanna change space? You wanna change space?
Face off, face off.
If I can be there, opo.
Hindi, buka, palit kayong face. Jong.
Oo nga, pero siya yung nasa
Pero
loob.
we
They
switch.
change, no, Jong is asking if you can change faces. Faces.
Hindi.
Ayaw. No, Tommy, you understood what they're trying to say, right? Miho just said she really appreciates you being who you are from inside the house and also here outside
You're
the house.
always
Because you're always
singing
singing
to
for her.
her.
Sabi niya. So she really
Kaya mo naman pala i-translate, Billy. Pinapahirapan mo pa ako.
Sorry po.